Aboyne Games 2025. Yes, I was here last year, and today again my friend invited me, so I came up with Gina Haden. Hi. Yes, so let's see what is going on today. And it was nice last year, and today is nice, very nice. The weather is so nice and so good, and sunny, and it's hot. So yes, hopefully it's gonna be all day today like this. And we will afterwards, my friend Ida is invited me and Gina to her house, her place, to have a dinner. So it's gonna be here all day to watch this Aboyne Games 2025. I'll see you.
Good morning, everybody. We are here in Aboyne Highland Games. This is a traditional games for this village. And soon we are going to watch the pipe bands. There are 8 different groups to join the pipe band. So they're passing by here. So stay tuned and stay here so you can watch Mercy's video. Thank you.
More Ida.
More?
Yeah.
What
you don't
can I
say this is Aboyne Games 2025.
Oh yes, that's right. Because Mercy was here again last year, so this is the yeah, she always come, and today she's with Gina.
That's right.
Yeah, Gina. Yeah,
I'm
Gina.
very thankful to you, Ida, for
That's
inviting
right.
us here. And later on, we'll go to Ida's.
For dinner.
Dinner.
Yeah, that's right. So
Thank you, Ida.
everything's
That's it.
already ready.
Yeah, thank you, Ida.
Hi everyone, we are here with my friends here in Aboyne, Aberdeenshire, and our friend invited us to come here, and we're waiting to start the pipes parade for the show, or like something like that. And I can't wait to see all those people to wear their national costume, the Scottish costume, and I'm very thankful because our friend invited us here, and Mercy, to come here to just walk around and see the nice view and those beautiful people.
Hi, they are here now. Okay, Ida. Thank you, Ida. That's my friend Ida. And this is my friend Gina.
There you go. Hi.
And that is the start now of the band. So here we go. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's a very, very nice day today. That is the first band coming. Yes, a lot of people today as a weekend, and another one is a beautiful day. Sun is out. So this is Aboyne Games 2025. First band 5. Loads of people. The second one. Online. Oh God, it's a very, very nice. There comes another second one. baka. Ang ganda-ganda ng araw. Oh, anong bibili? Baka nandito si Yui. Sleepy. Ay, teka, magpakuha nga tayo ng picture. Hi, excuse me.
Say hi. Hi.
Thank you. Ang daming tao, guys. Kasi ang ganda ng panahon.
Ograniczam cukru.
Doon kami naupo nila Gina noon, nila Aida. Panoorin natin ito. May sayawan, may yung mga trophy nila, yung mga mananalo sa Highland Games na yan. Oh. Yung mga mananalo dyan. Pwede tayong maupo doon, Haden. Gina, doon pwede tayo doon maupo, di ka? Dito pala ang daan. Ay, hindi dyan. Dito pala, Gina. Daming tao, guys. Ang ganda ng araw. Sobra. Meron daw dito si Sleepy. Kilala mo si Sleepy, di ba? May tent daw dito si Sleepy, sabi niya. Yung kasama ni yung kaibigan nila ay
She's gonna perform?
Club. Pwede pumasok yata dito eh. Kasi ang mahal naman ng ticket, di ba? 15 ang mahal.
Dapat 10.
Oo, 15. Makumita sila na naman dito.
Yeah, well done. Terrific throw there, Andrew Murphy.
Pwede yata umupo dito, kaya lang pinsayaw ng mga bata. Pwede tayong umupo dito. Can we go in here?
Yeah, you can. So on board 2, our winner of the Aboyne local dress, Maureen Denny. Turn yourself round, Maureen, take your bow. Well done. Oh, that's James Dawkins launching out there. Another terrific throw. James Dawkins from Aboyne.
Doon tayo sa kabila, Gina. Tayo sa kabila kasi doon yung games. Sayawan yan. super dami ng tao, guys. Ang mahal ng entrance, 15 pounds. Just to go in. Pwede rin tayo dito. Ha? Oo, maraming dito. Gusto mong bibili ng pagkain?
Parang alam ko pa, nagsigla pa tayo ng sandwich niya pero hindi nabili.
Oh?
Dito, oo, ang dami natin ginawa.
Pwede bang pumasok dito?
Yeah.
Can we go? Tingnan nga natin. Can we go in here? Ano?
Di man ka, ako nga.
Para yung mga special VIP people there. Ay, BLP. Ano ang gusto mong kainin? Ah, dito pwede siguro. Ah, dito pwede. Halika. Kaya lang may tumatakbo na ako.
You'll note our dancers down there on the platform being judged in this Aboyne dress competition. Back in 1952, the committee of Aboyne felt that girls and women dancing at Aboyne looked a touch unfeminine when kilt, displaying their medals as was the custom at that time. So it was therefore believed that a formal dress more befitting the elegance of Highland dancers was required. So a local lady from Aboyne, Mrs. Margaret Jean Jackson, created what became known as the Aboyne dress, which was first showcased at the Aboyne Games Ball in 1952.
Ganon yung kay Polly na mas malaki pa doon.
So one out of the age group for Aboyne dress,
yung gamit niya na camera na yun, mas malaki
Elizabeth
pa
Rudge from Balaja.
Talagang ganon?
You show your appreciation to open up. Come round and take a bow from your audience. Well done.
Umikot lang tayo tapos na. Tapos bumalik tayo sa kotse kumain. May chips sana may bibilan Gina.
Gusto mo?
Mamaya iikot tayong ganun, meron yun. Bilihan. Tapos lumili muna tayo sa kotse. Ito VIP, ito VIP.
Ganda mong uminom ti Ara.
VIP doon. Ayan. Sa harap natin po. May inya naman dito eh. Ang laki naman ng bunganga niya. Bata na ito. Ang tangkad-tangkad. Ay, ito kahanan natin. Go, Gina. Can you say hello to my video? Hello. Ikutin ta tapos madamdam ako.
Siguro pwede makain ng 5 mang kitchen.
Hindi, meron siya libre. Saka dun sa ano nila, meron sila siguro kasi taga-Aboyne sila. Ano sila village yan dito. That's the end of the show. So we will go ahead to main event, which have to pay 16 pounds or 15 pounds something, yes, to see what is going on there. So Gina and I had a lunch while I'm doing my editing. But say hello, Gina.
Hello, everyone.
Gina, say hello.